My people, take a look at this. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make meat pie like pro. So if you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. So I'm going to be using my mixer to mix this. This is my food processor. I added 2 cups of flour. I went in with salt. And then this is 250 grams of butter. I went in with 2 raw eggs, cover and then mix to combine. If you don't have mixer like this, you can use your hand to achieve this, okay? As for me, I no want stress. So I continue to mix. At this point, I go in with water bit by bit until I get the texture I want. Like I said, you can achieve this using your own hand. So when you mix your dough properly, this is how it's going to look. Then I'm going to cover it, set it aside for about 20 minutes. So while the dough is in the fridge, I went in with my meats, seasoning, and then I went in with red bell pepper and onions, mix very well, and then cover, allow it to steam. So this is really simple to make, guys. If you want to start up a meat pie business, I think this is the right time. Save this video and start to make your own. So next I added pepper, I added carrot, water. You can also add your Irish potato, but me, I don't like Irish potato, so I don't add it. Cover, allow it to steam until the meat is ready, just like this. Next, I'm going to go in with cornstarch, as it is called akamu for my local language. Mix very well. You can also use flour as well. So once you're ready, set it aside to cool and then cut your dough into smaller sizes like this. Set it aside and then roll out one part of it like this. So next, I'm going to place it on top of the meat pie cutter. This is really nice. If you have this meat pie cutter at home, it saves time. But however, if you don't have it, use your round plate, cut them. You don't need all these things at home anyway. Use your round plate, cut them. Use your fork, do your design, sharp, sharp. So I'm just going to take off the leftover one and then this is how it looks. This meat pie cutter makes it look so beautiful. Even your fork can make it look beautiful as well. Then place in the baking tray and then I apply egg white on it. So if you use the egg yolk, it's going to make it look yellow. But if you use egg white, it's going to give it that beautiful color. And then I use my knife to do design. You can use your fork to punch it. Whichever one you do, it's still going to come out nice. I baked in the oven and then that is it. Remember, when you're baking your meat pie, set your oven to be hot and then reduce the heat of the oven. You'll come out with beautiful meat pie like this. Now take a look at this and tell me, are you going to make this for your family this festive season? Try it. You will definitely love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Help me to share this video. Bye.